All right, so now in this blues piano practice action, we're going to be focusing on this lick. So these practice action focuses are designed to take something very small out of the lesson, teach it to you, and make it so that you could play it quickly. And all you do is just practice along with me. Be sure to grab the sheet music by clicking on that sheet music button on the site. Click on that link. There's also oftentimes a backing track, which you can download as well. All right, so now this one is the focus for the No Bowl Guide to Jazz Piano lesson number 11. If you want to work more on that lesson, just click on the Dive Deeper link. Otherwise, let's dive into this practice action. All right, in the right hand, you'll see that this is all just based off of that C triad with that blues note. I'm going to put the backing track on. I'm going to put it on 70 beats per minute so we can go nice and slow. Try playing just that right hand with me. Here we go. All right, good. Now we're going to do the left hand. The left hand is a C7 chord shell. It's the root and the seventh of the chord. We play it on beat 1, and we're going to play it again on beat 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's play that along with the backing track. I'm going to speed up the backing track just a little bit to 80 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now what we're going to do is we're going to focus on playing the left hand and the right hand together. Let me play it slowly for you. Here we go. Okay, so it comes in together, then left, right, together, left, right, together. So you see, that's where they come in together. Tension is created, but then it gets resolved quickly. Now let's play that along with the iRail Pro track. Here we go, 5 times. Third time. Fourth. Last time. Excellent job. Like I said, if you want to learn how to do this lick in other keys, move it to other chords, dive into that full lesson, the No Bowl Guide to Jazz Piano, number 11. Just click on the Dive Deeper link if you're logged into the Jazzedge Academy site under this video. It'll take you right to the full lesson. You can download the sheet music for the full lesson and work through the full lesson. All right, so that's the practice action for this first blues piano focus. Beginner, I'll see you in the next practice action.